Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have these clips and string things. I'll show you what they're for here in a second. So you get a whole bunch of them here, but I have, unfortunately not here, but I have like a green screen, and I hang it up on a I don't even know what it's called, like a tripod and stuff. And so what this gives me the ability to do is I can wrap the Velcro around the bars going up and down. So even if you have like like a show sign or anything like that, like a presentation, you can clip this around the pole. Do I have a pole here of anything? So if you have your pole going up, you can wrap the Velcro around it so it'll hold it in place there. It's hard to do this with this, but you get the idea. So it'll be held on like that, and then you can clip this onto the green screen to pull it towards the taut, and you can kind of adjust these up and down, and it can kind of make them tighter and looser. So that's kind of what's cool about it too. So you can stretch it out, so get rid of all those wrinkles and pull them taut. So it's kind of cool that it comes with a whole set of, I don't know, probably 15 of these or so in here. And that's what I got these for, so I can actually tie things on. What I'm going to do right now, though, is put one of these onto my tripod to hold the wire, because my wire keeps dragging on the floor. I'm going to do that to wrap the wire up and just hold it up. So, several uses. Very cool. Thumbs up.